Hey everyone! Today we're learning one of the most useful structures in English. A relative clause with who helps us describe people by giving extra information about them. Think of it like adding a bonus detail. For example, instead of just saying, my friend is supportive, you can say, my friend is someone who supports me. See how much more interesting that sounds? Okay, so here's the structure. You need three things. First, a noun or someone. Second, the word who. And third, information about what that person does or is. So the formula is noun plus who plus verb and more information. Let me show you. A friend is someone who listens to your problems. A teacher is a person who explains lessons. A best friend is someone who never judges you. Let's get real about friendship. A true friend is someone who supports you even when things get tough. A good friend is a person who respects your opinions. A best friend is someone who makes you laugh. A loyal friend is someone who keeps your secrets. A reliable friend is someone who shows up when you need them. Notice how we're describing who they are by what they do. That's the power of who clauses. Now let me show you what not to do. Because I see this all the time. Don't say, a friend who supports me is important. That's awkward. Instead say, a friend is someone who supports me. Don't forget the someone or a person. Another mistake. Saying, a friend supports me in the who clause. But then starting a new sentence. Keep it together. And don't use that instead of who when describing people. Who is for people. That is for things. So, my dad is someone who teaches me, not my dad is something that teaches me. Alright, your turn to practice. I'm going to give you some situations. And I want you to create a sentence using who. Ready? First, think of someone who makes you happy. Can you describe them? Second, what is a good classmate? Someone who. You fill in the blank. Third, describe a helpful teacher using who. And finally, what qualities should a loyal friend have? Create 2 sentences using who. Pause the video, write them down, and let me know in the comments. Remember, you're building real English speaking skills right now.